So I will be answering the question about domain name services. So DNS stands for Domain Name Systems, and it is a naming system for computers, services, or any resource that is connected to the internet. It is a protocol with sets of standards for how computers exchange data on the internet and private networks. It converts a website such as www.yahoo.com to 72.30.2.43. Computers use this to identify each other on the network. They are used to route the request to the site you are trying to find. You connect to the DNS instead of looking through the IP addresses. It manages a database that domain names to the IP addresses. The DNS server resolves the domain name to the IP address. A website's IP address may change over time. However, without DNS service, the internet would quickly be shut down. Complex pages often require multiple DNS lookups before they start loading. For example, if a website has a lot of backgrounds, different music, different advertisements, all that, this is converted into an IP address, which the DNS is in charge of. A DNS server is a server that stores the DNHS records for a domain. Different uses There are different ones. You can simultaneously receive different translations for same domain name. It is key to provide faster response times on the internet by the majority of the internet service today. DNS is distributed throughout the internet in a hierarchy of authority. DNS servers answer questions from both inside and outside their own domains. When a server receives a request from outside the domain for information about a name or address, it provides the authoritative answer. We, as people that go on the internet and type in a website that they want to see, they don't often see this side of the DNS, and it is very helpful because without it, the internet would constantly be crashing and we wouldn't be able to see all the different features of a website. Well, this is why DNS is like one of the most important parts for a computer, because without it, and if you have a business and you want people to share and see different things, it's really inconvenient if we didn't have DNS to be able to provide these different things for us. There's differences between private and public DNS. Some of them constantly change and others stay constant, but usually there's different numbers that start off where you can identify whether it is public or private. And most people don't realize that if we didn't have DNS, we wouldn't be able to translate these different things into a website that we see today.